Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create blanket style order using this our Dev blanket style order. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to style site. Under this order menu display here this blanket order. Here need to create new. Select here customer like open hold. Selected product is a customizable disk and I want to create this blanket order for the 30 quantity. Let's say need to select here expiry date and now open this and see here total added quantity is a 30 and also remaining quantity is a 30 because not created any sell order for this blanket order. Whenever you need some quantity instead of totally 30 quantity, then you can easily use this create sell quotation from the blanket order. Now click on this create sell order. Display here your added product. Now select here customer. Open hold and total you have a quantity is a 30 and now you need only 10 quantity. Now create quotation and display here one sell order is created for this blanket order and also updated here in remaining quantity and display here updated 20. Now I want to again create sell quotation. Again select here customer. Now remaining quantity total 20 and I want to again sales total 10 quantity. Again create sell orders and now display total sell orders 2 and updated it means you have only 10 remaining quantity. Now again create sell order, again create here customer open hold and you have only 10 but I want to need totally 20. Then when you try to create quotation then display here warning because you cannot order 20 quantity of this product because remaining quantity of it have only 10 quantity. So must be add here only you have. So again create. Total displayed sell orders 3 and remaining quantity total 0. Now open the sell order and display here all created sell order from the blanket order. Now open it and display 3 orders with 10 quantity. So using this our app you can easily create sell order from the blanket order based on your needed product quantity instead of huge product quantity. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.